Welcome to our channel. Today we'll show you how to delete your browsing history from Chrome app to protect your privacy and free up storage space. Step 1. Open the Chrome app on your device. Look for the Chrome icon and tap to launch the application. Step 2. Tap the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner of your screen. This opens the Chrome menu options. Step 3. Select History from the drop-down menu. You'll see a list of all websites you've recently visited. Step 4. Tap Clear Browsing Data at the top of the History page. This opens the data clearing options. Step 5. Choose your time range. Select from last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, or all time depending on how much history you want to delete. Step 6. Check the boxes for browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. You can select what specific data to remove. Step 7. Review your selections carefully. Make sure you're comfortable with what will be deleted, as this action cannot be undone. Step 8. Tap Clear Data button at the bottom. Chrome will immediately delete the selected browsing data from your device. Step 9. Confirm the deletion when prompted. Your browsing history is now cleared and your privacy is protected. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.